Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and today I'm going to share with you our Ninja unit study. If you're new to this channel, here you will find homeschooling vlogs, tips, advice, curriculum reviews, and everything that has to do with homeschooling. And make sure you check out the videos in the playlist and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So today I just want to share with you a little something we've been doing over the summer, the last couple of days over the summer. I've been wanting to get my kids' minds ready, well, my son's mind ready for the upcoming school year, which comes in a couple of weeks. So I've been having him read a little bit, and we've been doing a little bit of a unit study from Jessica from the Waldock Way's Passport to Adventures. You can find a review of that here. And we started in the Magic Treehouse book, Night of the Ninjas, I believe it's called. And I just want to show you a little vlog, a little mini vlog of some of the things we've been doing. So here it is. All right. Flames in the mist. The water grew shallow again. Then they were on dry land. Each day we'd start the day reading the Magic Treehouse, Night of the Ninjas. Now these activities were not all held in one day. They were done in a period of a week or so. Whenever we did our unit study, we did something different. So here we had a sort of ninja training camp where the kids learned how to move like ninjas. They learned that many ninjas were spies, and to avoid getting caught, ninjas needed to move very quietly. So they practiced different moves as I named them in Japanese to them, or I attempted to, and the definitions, such as the Kitsune Bashiri, which is fox running. North America, and then, or just find Japan. You know, it's in Asia, so find Japan. You know, Japan, it's near China, right?
Russia. Yeah,
Okay.
No, I found Brazil. I'm wrong.
Here we go. So we are gonna play Cobra Paws.
But when it was this one, orange and yellow, I got it.
You got it? Okay, we grab the dice, you roll it, whatever pattern you see there, the red and the thing, the white, you grab it first, okay? With your fingers, you can't go like this. If you grab the wrong one and then grab the right one, you can't get it. You have to grab it the first time, okay? Here the kids watched a little ninja cartoon, Ninjas and Samurais. On this day we did one of the suggested activities in the lesson plan, which was to make ninja stars. So the kids watched a YouTube video on ninja stars. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and there'll be lots of other mini vlogs like this with the different unit studies and all the different things that we will be doing. I said that really fast. All of the different things that we will be doing this school year. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.